In the last video I taught you guys on how to run a .php files with XAMPP. In this video I will teach you guys how to create a basic calculator in PHP. So firstly, you need to set your code up in the usual HTML format. Then after that type in create a form tag action equals to the file name .php, then type in method equals to get. This is crucial because we are going to use the get function when we are coding in PHP later on. After typing that within the form tag, type it input equals to quote text name equals to quote number 1, then duplicate that and in the name quotation write number 2. Then type in input type equals to quote submit and values equals to plus symbol. Now go down and set up the PHP tags, type in echo money symbol get number 1 plus money symbol get number 2 colon. The get function is a variable which is used to collect form data after submitting HTML form with a method game. The data is then sent to the URL. In PHP it is vital to use semicolons as the code would not compile if we did not end it with a semicolon. Now we host the code in the local host and type in a number, we will see that the number adds up. If you enjoyed this tutorial then like the video.